Python programming is one of the most widely used programming languages for data science, and it has firmly established itself amongst the geospatial community. Python is an open source, general purpose, high level programming language. Open source means that it is free to use. You have downloaded and installed Python on your machine for free, and you are free to use it to create programs and software. General purpose refers to the versatility and flexibility of the language in that it can be applied to a wide range of domains and use cases to solve diverse problems. Python is widely used in the sciences, finance, web programming, and of course GIS. Python is a high-level program due to its syntax nature. The syntax resembles human logic, which makes the language easier to learn and implement. The high-level nature of Python makes it suitable for rapid development, prototyping, and solving complex problems with concise and readable code. Python has some key characteristics. The first is its readability. Python has a clear and readable syntax, which makes it more accessible to beginners. Next is the versatility. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-orientated, and functional programming. Python comes with an extensive standard library, and this library provides modules for a wide range of tasks, from working with mathematical equations to internet protocols. Python has an amazing active community that contributes to an extensive ecosystem of third-party libraries. In our geospatial world, we have GeoPandas, for example. Python is cross-platform. Code written in Python can be run on different operating systems without modifications. And lastly, Python is an interpreted language which allows for quick development and testing. In this video, we got a brief overview of Python programming. Please refer to the text below this video and also in your workbook reference for more information.